Have you ever wondered why we say it's raining cats and dogs when there's a heavy downpour? This funny English idiom means it's raining very hard. Like seriously, grab an umbrella hard. The phrase goes way back to Old England when heavy rain would sometimes wash debris, including animals, through the streets. Imagine looking outside and seeing cats and dogs floating by. In French, you might say, Il pleut des cordes, it's raining ropes. Or in Spanish, Está lloviendo a cántaros, it's raining jugs. Hope you found this interesting. Like and subscribe for more words of wisdom.